Welcome to the 0 point. In this video, we're mastering DC measurements. We'll show you how precision is a process when using the relative or REL key on your multimeter. Have you ever seen a current reading even when you haven't clamped a wire? This is known as the DC offset or the ghost current. AC current measurements use passive induction, where sensors only activate when current moves. DC current measurements use the Hall effect, where Hall sensors are always listening and active. This constant listening means Hall sensors measure the magnetic field of the world, not just the wire. The ghost current is actually the Earth's magnetic field exerting force on your sensor. This is known as planetary interference. The function of 0 is to subtract this ambient magnetic noise. By pressing the 0 button, the reading drops to 0, establishing a new baseline. The displayed reading equals the total magnetic field minus the ambient field. The first step of the ritual is isolation. Never zero the meter while clamped to a wire. Subtracting the target current creates a mathematically perfect, but false, reading. Step 2 is critical orientation. Since the Earth's field has direction, you must zero the meter in the exact physical angle you intend to measure. Step 3 is the null. To achieve this, close the jaws, press the 0 REL key, and confirm a reading of 0.00. The fourth and final step is the capture. Open the jaws, enclose the conductor, and read the meter. Your measurement is now pure DC current, minus the noise. High currents can leave magnetic memory in the iron core, a problem known as the hysteresis trap. If this occurs, snap the jaws to demagnetize them, and then re-zero the meter. Always respect the energy. DC environments, such as those with solar or electric vehicles, can be lethal. Keep your fingers behind the tactile barrier on your meter for safety. Here is a quick protocol recap. 1. Isolate the meter. 2. Orient the meter. 3. Null the reading. 4. Measure the current. By following this process, you can trust your data and ensure precision in your DC measurements. Thank you for watching this video.